is I'm going to go over this bicycle seat cushion cover. This is from the company APECYC, maybe is what that is. Actually, let me just take it out of the package. This is all you get with it right here. You get a little cover. This is like a little rain cover, kind of looks like a shower cap. The bike seat cover goes on any type of bike with this kind of wider back seat. And the way you're going to do it, this right here will go, you'll pull this up like that. And what you're going to do is put it on the front of the seat, wrap it around, tie this up, and that's going to hold the front on. And then you're going to slide this over and then pull it down and then tighten it up. And the bike that I put mine on is the Hofsco Hob Beta bike. It's a little small e-bike, but the seat on it has always been a little hard in the back. So what I want to do, I wanted to add a little more cushion to my bike seat without replacing the entire seat. So I found this, it was size perfect, it fit on the bike perfect, and it worked extremely well on those long rides. So that way your bum's not like hitting the back of the seat right there and hit it, because the cushion is in exactly the places you need it, and it just adds a little more comfort to your ride when you're on those long days of riding. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the APECYC seat cushion. See you on the next video.